Hi, my name is Jonathan Rodriguez Velasco. I am single. I am from Colombia. I am 26 years old. I am administrative assistant. I am studied at UNAD. I live in Candelaria. In my free time, I live often to study with my family and sometimes with my friends. The main tourist places in Candelaria are the principal park. Also, the Arte Tour, Nuestra Señora de la Candelaria, the Recreational Park Confandi, and Juanchito nightclubs. The typical food in my city is usually blonde sausage, often tamales bayunos, suckling pea, and corn arepas. The main celebration in my city are sometimes Cholado Festival, Root Festival Pedro Ramírez, Party Patronal Virgen de la Candelaria, and Candelaria Fair. In conclusion, I'm as free I can always play many sports. Tere is eat artisan food and traditional in Tempar, party in nightclubs, and Tere are the play traditional game in Tempar. Thank you.